Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to use voice search effectively with Google. Are you ready to search the web using your voice? Google's voice search feature is your virtual assistant. Let's dive into the steps. Begin by opening your web browser on your desktop computer. Head over to the Google homepage and then look for the microphone icon in the search bar. It's usually on the right side. Click on the microphone icon and start speaking your search query. For example, tell me about the latest movie release. Or what's the capital of France? I'm gonna show you how to use the search by voice in Google. What's the capital of France?
Paris. According to home.adelphi.edu, Paris is the capital of France, the largest country of Europe with 550,000 square kilometers.
So as you can see, Google will process your voice and display the search results right on your screen. And that's it. You've mastered the art of using voice search effectively with Google on your desktop. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use voice search effectively with Google. See you on my next video. With voice search, you're stepping into the future of browsing, a hand-free experience that saves you time and effort. Embrace the convenience and let your voice be your guide. Keep exploring, keep speaking, and I'll be here with more tech-savvy insights for your digital journey. Happy searching and enjoy the power of your voice.